What's poppin'? It's your girl Africa Doll, and I'm back with another good video. And today I'll be showing you guys how I install this wig. It's a 24-inch wig. It don't look like 24, but it is. It's a body wig. So let's get into it. Okay, so basically what I'm doing now is I'm, mixing all my bleach products together. I'll put everything in the description where I use, and I'm just gonna go in and bleach my knots. I feel like bleaching the knots makes the hair come out a whole lot better, and it turns out way natural, like so much natural. I cannot even tell you guys, sorry, but it comes out so much natural. So I'm just, showing you guys the inside of the wig, and I'm just gonna bleach the knots. Some people don't use bleach, some people use makeup, but I use both, to get a more natural look, whatever, but you never use too much. And when you bleach, you want to make sure it's like more on a pasty side. I kind of used too much a little bit, but it was kind of pasty, but it's not too much pasty. It can either be pasty or like butter. This is like creamy butter, so I'm just going to spread it all throughout. And, just bleach my knots, girls. Get them knots, poo. And ladies, I kind of went overboard. You do not want to do this, so please don't make my mistakes. And I'm not a professional. Okay, so now all I'm doing is sewing down her braid in the back. So, I could put her cap and everything on so nothing will not come out her hair and everything. And this is a Wiginstall, so I want to make sure everything is secure and flat. Okay, now right here, I'm just brushing on her edges back so I can put her cap on so everything will be secured and flat. Okay, so ladies, now we're finna sew the cap down in the back so the cap won't be sliding as the install gets old. So all I basically do is, sew the back of the cap down. Okay, ladies, so I'm basically just cutting her cap, and then I'm going to go in with some of my Fit Me makeup and just blend the cap in with her skin, to get a more melt when I put the lace down. And I'm also going to clean her forehead with some 90% alcohol, you guys. So let's get into it, poo. And you guys, do not forget to follow my hair page, my hair business at The Hair Trap. Everything will be in the description bar below. My Instagram, my personal Instagram, everything, even my booking site, everything will be below. So check out the description for all of that. And we're just putting the wig on her head to see, where I should lay the glue. And I'm also going in with my Fit Me powder in the color 362, to blend her, basically tint her lace. And I'm going to do it on the top also, but I don't think I got to record that. But, let's just get into it. Okay, ladies, we're finna get ready to lay the glue. I'm using Ghost Bond. Yeah, Ghost Bond, y'all. I'm using Ghost Bond. And make sure y'all put a good amount, but do not go overboard. And also make sure when y'all spreading the glue out, that y'all put y'all spread it out in a good, even layer. Like, don't just spread it out all types of ways, because then when you try to melt it, it's gonna come out looking crazy. But I'm just basically, spreading it evenly all over. And I'm gonna let it get clear, then I'm gonna lay the wick down. Now this is the wig after I've bleached the knots, I plucked it, and I gave it a good deep condition. So you guys, this is how it turned out. And we're just gonna go in and plug our edges a little bit more so they can look a little more natural. And I know I just did a ponytail, but I took it out and I wanted to go in with my hot comb and make it flatter because I didn't like how it was coming out. So this is me just hot combing it. And I know y'all can see the steam on that hot comb. Every girl is scared of a hot comb. Everybody is traumatized from this hot comb, honey. And I got the old school hot comb because I feel like those do a whole lot better. But I found an electric one that does really, really fine. You'll start seeing those in my videos soon. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and add some curls all over, you know, make it pop. Because this was originally body wave hair, but I hate body wave hair. So we're just gonna add some curls and make it look cute. And that's just that on that.
Freaky bitch, she tryna fuck up in the telly. Want a baby, I put one up in her belly. I ain't Fabi, but I can tell you that she a wetty. She said the word, I'm Morocco, just like a nigga steady.